Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys, and if you need to leave a tip on the Square app guys, it's actually super simple and I'm going to show you how to do this step by steps. So first things first guys, what you're going to do is you want to open up the Square app. So first, you want to basically ensure that the merchant actually uses Square to process payments. Just open the Square app on the payment terminal or the device which is being used by the merchant. And then guys, after the merchant, inputs the total amount, you'll be prompted to pay. You just want to choose your payment method, either credit card, debit card, or mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. And then once you've selected your payment option, guys, okay, the app will add a tipping screen. So you'll see a preset tip percentages. Like for example, you'll see 10%, 15%, and 20%, or a custom tip option if you want to enter a specific amount. And then guys, what you're gonna do is you just want to tap on your desired tip percentage or enter the custom amount. Just double check the total amount including the tip before actually proceeding. And then guys, what you're gonna do basically is a tap pay to complete the transaction. So basically guys, if you're using your card, you might need to sign in or just enter your PIN. And after the payment is processed guys, you'll see a confirmation screen. You'll also receive a receipt, either printed, emailed, or sent via text depending on your preference guys. And that's all it takes guys. Adding a tip on the Square app is very seamless and ensures you can actually show your appreciation for a great service. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, go smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.